Hello my dear students, welcome back. So my dear children, in the last session we have already started with chapter 11, that is factorization. Today we shall continue with the same. In today's session, students, we shall study how to find the factors of the given algebraic expressions by using standard identities. Identities like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a square minus b square. So let's begin with exercise 11.3. So children, we come to the first question. That is, what is the question here? Factorize the following expressions using algebraic identities. So here it is mentioned that you have to use algebraic identities. So the first question you see, x square minus 12x plus 36. You have to be very careful. You have to study the question very carefully. Now you come here. If I take my a as x, okay, then what will be my b? A square it is. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 36 is here. That means what will be my b? My b will be under root 36. That means my b will be under root 36, that is equal to 6. So now you see whether your 12x is matching or not. So when I say a square plus 2 into a into b, that means 2 into x into 6, that means 12x. Yes, so it is coming. So which identity we are going to use? We have to use here a minus b whole square. So let's begin. Solution. Using a minus b whole square, that is equal to a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Followed? Now the same formula you put up here. That means what? Add x square. So x whole square, first you write about x, plus b square. So plus 6 whole square. Now you come to minus 2 into a into b. So minus 2 into a, that is your x, into b, that is your 6. So this comes as, you can see here, x square minus 12x plus 6 square. So we are representing it with which identity? A minus b whole square. So what is my a? X. What is my b? 6. So x minus 6 whole square. Follow children? So we have utilized that identity and what we got? We got x minus 6 whole square. So what is my answer? Your answer is x minus 6 into x minus 6. Followed? Now we come to the next question. That is question number 1, 4. Study the question carefully. I have told you children, for each and every algebraic expression which you have to factorize, you have to study it very carefully. Here, as we are utilizing identity, you have to study the expression very carefully and you have to specify which particular identity we are going to use to solve this particular expression. Now as I come here, a to the power 4, that means what is my a? My a will be a square and 9b to the power 4. That means what is my b? My b will be 9, that means 3 square. So it is 3. b to the power 4, that means b square. So here, which identity I am going to use? A plus b whole square. So same here, using a plus b whole square, that is equal to a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you keep this, what is your a and what is your b, that will help you to factor factorize the given expression. Now let us begin. So a square, that is equal to a to the power 2 whole to the power 2. Follow children? A square, what is my a? My a is a square. So a to the power 2 whole to the power 2, that becomes a to the power 4. Now next you come to plus 3b whole square and square of that. 3b square whole square. So and plus a square plus 2ab. So let us write plus 2 into a into b. What is my a? My a is a square. What is my b? My b is 3b square. You see, counter check whether you have done correct or not. See, 2 3s are 6. So 6a square b square. We are getting that expression. So here we are factorizing. This equals to a plus, what is my a? My a is a square. So a square plus 3b square. A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square. So what we did? We factorized the given expression using a plus b whole square. Now this is equal to, we will write it twice, a square plus 3b square into a square plus 3b square. Factorization means what? What into what? The multiplier and the multiplicand. That's why we are representing, we are writing the factors that what into what. So if you multiply children, this into this, you will get back the expression. Now let us come to the next question, that is question number 1, 6. Question number 1, 6. Here I have written it. See, x square plus x plus 1 by 4. I am doing one fraction for you. Now let us chalk out what will be my x here, what will be my a. Sorry, my a is x. Okay, that is your a. What is your b? Your b is 1 by 2. Follow? So using a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so we can see here that which identity we shall utilize to solve it? A plus b whole square. Now you factorize. So a square, a whole square, my a is x. So x square plus, first you write here about your b. Your b will be 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, my b is 1 by 2. So a square now plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b. So always children, what is your a and what is your b? If you mention that first, you will never commit a mistake over here. Follow children? See, if you come here, 2 and 2 cancel off, so you get back x. Followed? So this equal to a plus b whole square. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to x plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2. Follow? So question number 1, each and every question you have to factorize by using which identity? A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Now let us come to question number 2. Come to question number 2. The first question children, 2-1. Here you see 4p square minus 9. You have to think which identity can you use to solve this. When I come to this 4p square. Okay, so 4p square minus 9. It will go by which identity? A square minus b square. A square minus b square, because this also I can represent in the form of a square. This also I can represent in the form of b square. Now, so using a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now 4p square. 4 means 2 square. So this 4p square I can write as 2p whole square. Follow children? So a square done, minus 9 is there. So 9 means square of what? 3 square. And your question is done. I have represented it, a square minus b square. So my answer will be a plus b, a minus b. So 2p plus 3 into 2p minus 3. Follow? Come to question number 3, the second question. If you come to question 3, the second question, what is the question over here? The question is 16x square minus 1 by 144. Here you have to be very careful about perfect squares. When you come to 16, 16 is square of 4 and 144. 144 children, it is square of 12. So the same way you will write using a square minus b square, and that is equal to 16x square. That means that will be 4x. So 4x whole square minus 1 by 12 whole square. And it is done. So what is your answer? A plus b, a minus b. Write it. 4x plus 1 by 12 and 4x minus 1 by 12. Follow? So which questions we did here? We started with question number 1 and we did question 2 and question 3. We have utilized identities like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a square minus b square. Now let us continue with the next question. Now students, let's come to the next question, that is question number 5. Now see the question. Question is 2a plus 3b whole square minus 16c square. So study the question carefully. Which identity can we apply? Here you see, if you consider this total as a and this as b, then we can utilize the identity a square minus b square. Follow? So using a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now here you see, what is my a? My a remains the same, 2a plus 3b whole square. And what is my b? My b is 16c square. Now 16, that is a perfect square. 16 equals to 4 square. So instead of b square, here I write 4c whole square. Follow? So a square minus b square. Now you come to your answer, a plus b, a minus b. So 2a plus 3b plus 4c and 2a plus 3b minus 4c. This is my answer. Follow children? Come to the next question. Question number 7. Study properly. Here also you see, if you consider this total as a and this total as b, then you can apply here the identity a square minus b square. So the same way children, using a square minus b square. Now 25a plus b whole square. 25, that is a perfect square. So 25 equals to 5 square. So here I write 5 into a plus b, 5 into a plus b, put it within bracket, whole square. Okay, and 16, that is also a perfect square, 4 square. Okay, so minus 4 into a minus b, put it within bracket, whole square. So what I have done, I have represented this given expression into a square minus b square. Now when you come here, 5 into a plus b, what can I do? I have to multiply a plus b with 5. So 5a plus 5b. Follow children? And that is whole square minus 4a minus 4b whole square. So a square minus b square. Now you write the answer, a plus b, a minus b. So this equals to 5a plus 5b plus 4a minus 4b and 5a plus 5b minus 4a. The moment you write minus 4a, 4b becomes plus. So plus 4b. Now, here, see the expression. You can see here 5a, 4. That means like terms are there. So, what we have to do? We have to solve the like terms. So, children, 5a plus 4a, 9a, and plus 5b minus 4b. So, plus b. And this side, 5a minus 4a. So, a plus 5b plus 4b. So, what you get? Plus 9b. So, what is my answer? My answer is 9a plus b and a plus 9b. Followed? Now we come to the next question, that is 8.1. Question number 8, children. This is a different type of question. Why is it so? Because you see x cube minus 25x. I cannot apply any identity. So what I have to do here? Here you have to take out the something which is common. The moment you take out something common, the rest of the part will be there, into which you can apply an identity and solve. So here, if you come to what is common over here, x is common. The moment you take x out, what remains? X square minus 25. X square minus 25. That means what? X square minus 5 square. So, which identity can I use over here? A square minus b square. So, write using a square minus b square. So, x is there outside. So, x and inside it will be x square minus 5 square. Followed? So, a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So, my answer becomes x into x plus 5. Here, x square minus 5 square, a plus b, a minus b. So, x plus 5 and x minus 5. That is your answer. Follow, children? Now, after this, we come to the next question, and that is your question number 11. Question number 11, children. This is the most elaborate question, a different type of question. Listen carefully. See, your question is 9x square minus y square plus 4y minus 4. Study the question carefully. If you come to only this part of the expression, and if you hold that my a is y and my b is 2, the moment you chalk it out, your a is y and your b is 2, you see a square plus 2ab. Here you can see a into b, and if my b is 2, this is 4. So it is coming. So here I can see, I can utilize either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Let us see which one. The moment you have 9x square, so I shall take it up. So this equals to 9x square minus. The moment you take minus common, whatever sign is there within the bracket, each and every sign is going to change. So what remains? Y square minus 4y plus 4. So which identity? A minus b whole square. So using a minus b whole square. Follow? Now, so 9x square minus, here you write your a is y. So y square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. That is your 2 square. Followed? See here, 2 2s are 4. So minus 4y. Got it? So this equal to 9x square minus. So I have represented it as a minus b whole square. So here y minus 2. So y minus 2 whole square. This is not the end. See the expression carefully. Here you have got 9x square minus y minus 2 whole square. So again I can apply an identity over here, and what is that? A square minus b square. So using a square minus b square, that is equal to 9x square. 9 is a perfect square, that becomes 3x square. So 3x whole square minus y minus 2 whole square. Got it? A square minus b square. Answer a plus b, a minus b. So 3x plus y minus 2 and 3x minus y plus 2. The moment you write here minus, this becomes plus 2. Follow children? So what we did today? We solved questions of exercise 11.3. What we did? We factorized the given expressions. How did we factorize the questions of 11.3? Here we used algebraic identities. Follow children? So in the upcoming session, we shall take up 11.4 and that we will factorize in some other means. Okay? So till then, students, each and every question of this, that is 11.3, you will solve. Follow students? So, goodbye. Take good care of yourself, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.